This is Ben with WTI sharing with you the wonders of La Paz, Mexico. La Paz sits on the Sea of Cortez near the tip of the Baja California Peninsula, about a 2-hour drive from Cabo San Lucas Airport, and showcases a charming colonial vibe, incredible wildlife encounters, and some of the most untouched beaches in the country. The city itself is very compact and easily walkable, with the main attraction being the Malecón, a seafront walkway filled with statues and a great place to see the sunset. The biggest draw to La Paz, both literally and figuratively, are the whale sharks, which arrive between November and April to feed offshore. Taking a whale shark excursion does require a measure of fitness, but this is truly a bucket list type experience. The second most popular attraction is a day trip out to the island of Espiritu Santo, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's home to a variety of birds and also gives you a chance to go swimming with sea lions. These playful creatures have no concept of personal space, so be ready to get up close and personal, and to capture it, be sure to bring an underwater case for your phone. But if you'd rather spend your time on the beach than in the water, head out to one of the best beaches in Mexico right at La Paz's doorstep called Playa Balandra. This beautiful bay has a maximum number of 450 visitors both in the morning and afternoon, so get there early if you want to catch a space. The upside is that you get to enjoy the beautiful, shallow, tranquil waters in relative peace. Just down the road is Playa Tecolote, a public beach that has plenty of amenities and restaurants to help you enjoy your day at the shore. Or you could hike through the desert landscape to enjoy one of the many unspoiled beaches that are tucked along the coastline, offering you solitary bliss. And if you've got a drone, this is an excellent opportunity to take some aerial footage of the enchanting landscape where the desert meets the sea. My top 2 tips for visiting La Paz are: 1, make sure you try the food. It is off the charts delicious. And number 2, I highly recommend bringing a hat and a water shirt because this is a desert and it's not a lot of shade. So if you like natural scenery with a dash of old world charm, check out La Paz, an untouristy tourist destination in Baja California, Mexico. And for more great travel content, be sure to follow WTI and check out the products that's going to make your trip fantastic. This has been with WTI, wishing you happy travel.